defense mechanism is when they fall upside down. 1 minute. Look. When they fall upside down, they crack their spine and they make a click like that. And the click warns other predators to not eat it. And if a predator doesn't listen, it will jump away. Like this. You see, it jumped all the way here. Well, now I put it right here. And also, they hide when it's cold weather. Bye guys, in another episode. Subscribe and like and share with your friends.